Hello, I'm Mr. Walker. I'm the Head of Social Sciences at Knutsford Academy. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about our GCSE in Psychology. If you're the kind of person who would always seek to explain why people behave in the way they behave, then this course is a good choice for you. In the course, we will try to explain all sorts of behaviours, ranging from criminality to what happens whilst we sleep. If you're a keen scientist and have an interest in human biology, then this again is a good option. Whenever we look at a theory in GCSE psychology, we will consider both the nurture argument, that perhaps an individual is behaving the way they are because of their socialisation and upbringing, but we will also counteract that with a view of nature, and that maybe their bodies and their brains are causing them to behave in the way in which they are behaving. If you've conducted research in the past or would like to in the future, then as a social scientist and as a psychologist, this is something that we should give you the opportunity to do. In social sciences, individuals come up with theories and then they will conduct their own research in order to support their theories. And across the course, we will look at all sorts of studies that have been done in the past, and we'll get a chance to analyse the effectiveness of those studies. If you'd like a job in the future whereby you'd like to help people who are currently living in difficult situations or who are having difficulties in their lives, then this is a good choice. If again you would like to work in the area of crime and justice, then lots of people who have gone on with the GCSE to move on to A-level and possibly degree level have found good, strong careers in the crime and justice sector. Working with children and animals is also an option for you, whilst also if you're interested in mental health and helping people overcome their depression and their fears, for example, this would be a good choice for you. Our course covers 7 main areas of psychology. In the first year, our 3 main topics are criminal behaviour, child development and mental health. And the students will get to explore the reasons behind criminality, the reasons for the differences in child development, and the causes of issues such as schizophrenia and depression. In the second year, our 3 main topics are sleep and dreaming, memory and social influence. And within year 11, the students will get to explore the reasons behind our dreams. Why is it that certain people end up with issues such as amnesia? And within social influence, we will look at human obedience and conformity. Across the 2 years, the students will be given a chance to study what we normally call research methods, investigating human behaviour, where we will look at the effectiveness of a variety of methods, such as exploring experiments, observations, interviews, and questionnaires. Psychology GCSE is assessed with 3 main assessment objectives. Assessment Objective 1 allows the student to demonstrate their knowledge and understanding of the things that they have learned, whilst also applying key terminology. Assessment Objective 2 is their chance to apply what they've learned in a skill-based sense to exam questions. Assessment Objective 3 allows the students to develop analytical and evaluative skills. And this is where they're given opportunity to be critical of the theories and of the studies that they have learned. Both exams are sat at the end of year 11, and they're both worth 50%. Each of them are 1 hour 30 minutes long and begin with more straightforward multiple choice questions, but as the papers move forward, they of course become more challenging. Each of the 2 papers have a longer essay-based question in the format of a for and against argument.